Hey there guys, what's happening? So today we're gonna make a McGriddle. McDonald's does a dang good job of making a McGriddle, but we're gonna make it just a little bit better. Quite a bit better. Pretty husky as a matter of fact. We got sausage, we got bacon, we got cheese, we got hash browns, and we're gonna make some pancakes. We're gonna combine all those ingredients and make it into a nice sandwich. Let's get some butter down for our hash browns. Key to cooking hash browns, butter and patience. Want to get those hash browns nice, square, nice and thin, get nice and crispy. Nice and crispy hash browns is the name of the game, guys. I don't know too many people that like their hash browns soggy. There might be some out there, but I don't know very many of them. Now, let's get the sausage down, get some brown on that. We'll go with sausage on the side here, and then we'll go bacon. Down. Little seasoning for the hash browns. There we go. Pow, 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 pow. Give the bacon a press. That keeps that weave nice and flat on the Blackstone. Oh, we're getting close, guys. Look at how nice and golden brown all that is. Woo! I think this bacon's coming around. This bacon will switch over here. The griddle's a little hotter up there, so we'll see what our hash browns are. Sausage, oh yeah, looking nice. Okay, bacon, that one's nice. That one's nice. Nice. Let it crisp up a little bit. We're gonna be in style, guys. I think my sausage is just about done here. It goes over on the cooling rack or the warming rack. I got this rack over here because now I got the griddle. I got the griddle on low right here. So what that's going to do is keep this food nice and warm, but not keep cooking it. Just warm. Set those over there. We're going to turn this way down because we're going to start cooking our pancakes and our eggs. So we're gonna have to get this cooled down. Okay, time to drop some cakes, guys. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Get a little syrup in those cakes, eh? That sucker was hot. These cakes are almost done. These cakes are still working. Okay, here we go. Woo! Them are some beautiful looking pancakes. Look at how nice and golden brown. Oh, those are perfect. Nice and fluffy. Hungry Jack. Every time, they never fail. season up the eggs. Pow, pow, pow. All this food's still nice and toasty. Just gotta get the eggs done, and we will build. Let's do it. Flip. 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 Done deal. Let's start the build. I'm gonna go, actually I'm gonna cheese these. I'll cheese the eggs right now. Boom. 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 And boom, just like that. Let's go. Actually, let's go sausage. Let's go hash brown. Hash brown. Look at that. Coming together, guys. We're gonna go egg. 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 And last but not least, bacon. Lid, lid, lid. Done deal. Oh man, do those things look good, huh? Let's give these guys a shot. Oh man, I've been dying to try one of these things. Look there's the egg. Woo! I can't even begin to explain how delicious this is. So good, so good. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a like button. If you did, give me a like button. What does that even mean? I hope you enjoyed the recipe. I hope the next... Let me try another bite of this sandwich. Maybe if I take another bite of the sandwich, I'll have a better outro. I hope the next time you guys fire up your Blackstone, you give this a shot. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, we'll catch you later.